Professor, here's our team number 2. So we have this a video about the presentation about our midterm presentation is about our project. So right now many enterprise is worldwide being switched to this digitalization due to better digital and current COVID condition, right? So everything need to be online. So this transformation method allow you to achieve better result in less time. So for that many reasons. So our voting system, like government election, organization election, and so on, are significant in society. So which mean we are developing a new method for our for the voting. So our project online voting system with graphically authentication process and provide a superior alternative conducting online election with great efficiency and less work and money. Our project does not incorporate advanced authentication or validation mechanisms such as uh, face detection. Um, those so like we promise that this one of our most user-friendly design and authentication to log in. And our goal is to make voting easier and more reliable. We require less human work, time, and money. So right now, we're gonna go into the acceptance test for online voting website. So we will first turn down the PowerPoint, and here we go. This is our list of our acceptance test. So we're gonna have like two parts. Like one part is for the iteration, one is for right now and later on. And we have like the acceptance test for iteration 2. So probably it's for next presentation. It's right down here. Iteration 2. Yep. So coming on the first one, user can navigate to authentication page, main page, vote page, and I mean like every single page. So the expect output should be able to navigate all the page in the application. So here we go. So I'm on my application. I type it on my visual to a window right here. So we using the XAMP to run it. So here we go. I did run it. So we have like two like two page. For one is for admin to log in, like admin control panel, and secondly like is for the user to log in. So right now I'm in the admin. So username is Hoang and password is just a password. There hit sign. There we go, right here. So here's the dashboard in and then vote right here. And I create 195% is me and voter. I create like two right down here. And I will copy paste this one. So which means I will like log in as a user. So it's for it. And here's a position, candidate, one person. You can view right here. You can edit also and color position right here. Election title. Okay, so I'm gonna sign out at admin and then we gonna delete this one, enter right here. So this is a user, this for user to log in and password is just a password. And we go. So for users, they cannot see anything like pilot position or something else. They only it's only show like the list of the person to selection, right? Yep. So I can log it out and coming back for our uh, for our second test. So this is working, and we change it to green one. Yep, there we go. So the second one, user can give the vote after setting a candidate to vote page by clicking on submit button. Should be able to see the submit vote in a rubric table in database and open the vote complete page. Yes. Coming back here, so I'm gonna sign in again. Password, and here we go. So here's our vice president. Search platform. Set it. Here we go. We're gonna act in. We can review it. Who's me, and then hit submit. And here we go. You have a result for this selection. So which means it's work completely good with it. And I hit sign. This one. Green one. User can see the vote complete page. For vote view page, we see it. Information. Yes, we are. User can see all the detail of his or vote list from voter page. Uh, yes, it is. User can add a new voter or vote page by filling detail in the form. All right. Click on new. This one is for the admin. Where you go? So I gonna need to like say like user like I mean like the voter cannot like the user cannot like create a vote, so which means I have to switch to the admin panel to create a new candidate. Right. I mean like add a new voter. I mean like for a new voter, right? The voter cannot like create a by a sign in by themselves. So I'm back to the admin one. Yep. So coming to the voter page, and I gonna add it new, and first name is maybe like test number two, last name is test number two, password just a password. Photo, we can upload any picture we want. So I gonna choose this picture, and yep, and I hit save on it, and here we go. We got the right picture right here, but it maybe we can use another picture. Maybe this picture is not work good with it. Maybe oh it's HTML, so I'm gonna use this picture. Let's see, can I get it? And then, oh no, so I can create again. So test two, password just password. Picture I gonna choose uh this this one. Yeah, there we go. So which means I can delete it like this one. And so you sign, we using the voter ID right here to sign in. Uh, sign out, and here we go. Vote. Here only show up one that the because we only have one. Maybe I will create another one later on, and I can submit it. So and when I sign in at the admin one, I mean, no, admin. Here we go. We got like totally three votes for it. For three. Yep. And coming to a next one. This one. And then we come into user can see all the position information of candidate from the position page. Should be able to see the list of position available in the election. Okay, position information. Okay, here we go. So we only have one position right here, and I can create one more, maybe like a leader, something maximum vote, maybe 200, and I hit save on it, and then we got a new one. It's a leader right here, and also we can edit it and then delete it also. This one. Go ahead. A new portion can be added to add new portion page by filling all detailed form. I just test on it out. So oh, here we go, and should be able to see newly added portion page. Yep. You can see all the information of candidate from the candidate page. Should we see the list and information first name? Everything else. Okay. Here we go. So we can view here, and there we go. And I can, and also I can edit it and also delete it. And I can create it one new also. Like maybe like can be, I can choose portion. So which one I next this time I gonna choose the leader and photo. And we can use, I will use a previous one right here, and platform maybe like, yeah, I think so maybe save on it, and here we go, we got a picture on here, platform, yeah. New candidate can be added to new candidate detail form right here. We're already done with this one. Like can a new candidate can be add a new candidate page by filling all the detailed form. Should be able to see newly added candidate in a candidate page. We're already done with this one. A user can view the ongoing election title, its portion, its candidate, and the result from the view ballot page. Should be able to see the home page with the election ballot detail. Hmm. Can view on home page. Ballot position right here. So right here we can see the vice president and two candidates right here, and then we can see the platform. So one, and I can reset on it also. And on the dashboard we can see like who vote for who vote for vice president, this platform, and oh I mean this last name, because we have this one. A new election title can be added to the election title page. Should be able to see election title and its detail in the election title page. So the election right here. So we can go election title, and maybe we can change line 2023 selection, and I hit save on it. And there we go. We're gonna successfully election title successfully updated. And that's all for the integration one. So on upcoming we're gonna use every I'm gonna like detail every like iteration two of the next meeting. So I'm gonna turn. So coming on the next PowerPoint, we're gonna testing for Android voting system. So we decide to like making extra like for the Android app. So I'm using ID Android Studio, the Android 11 and SDK 31. So here's I'll go for it, and I'm gonna test it. on my phone. So first of all, I'm gonna need to connect my phone to it. So I'm gonna stop sharing for one moment to connect to my phone, and then yep. So hi Professor, welcoming back. So our Android app. So I'm using the Firebase database to store the data. So in authentication is right here. So I'm gonna delete this one. And here's the authentication. I'm using an email, and then in storage, I'm using to storing the picture and file so that's way to storing the data about the candidate and then the user information. So here you can see I have two candidates, two person and one user right here. So here the user admin I created. So the reason why or what's the difference between the admin and the normal user, right? So the admin is they allow to like uh creating they allow to adding a candidate and the user is not. So take a look at my code right here. So if the user name is admin, so the create button and start button will visible, but vote button is not because admin is not allowed to like voting. But something else, create button gone and vote button is visible. So right now I'm gonna uh, log in as the admin user. Oh, I will uh, delete this one and then creating a new user. Delete it. And then sign up. And then the storage also, I'm gonna delete everything. Yep. So first of all, let creating a new user. Yep. So let me connect to my phone. Yep. So first of all, I'm gonna create a new user. Second, 1 second. Photo and this one, take this one. Name, I'm gonna choose is admin. Then password and then sign up. It user created. And then I have to verify our user. I have to go to my email and I go into a spam folder. Here we go. So I click right here and it shows your email has been verified. So I'm gonna when I refresh it, one user right here, and when I come in here, okay. When I log in it, it's gonna show it. So when I hit login, oh, I hit login. Yep. So as I said before, because it's the admin, so which means they have button create candidate and start voting. When I hit create candidate, I'll show right here. And I will take a picture of it. Maybe I take this one picture. Here you go. Maybe a home. It the name is and it's president. Maybe I can choose vice president also. Maybe. And it's submitted. And here we go. And I hit start voting. And here we go. We have one president and one because this is I create before. That's why I have to delete in a candidate right here. Yep. This is the other one uh, I testing on it. So you guys give me a document and it's only showing one in here. Start reading it. Yep, it only showing one. So let's sign out and then we gonna sign up as the normal user. So okay, now I'm gonna choose a picture at the picture and then I'm gonna choose this one. Hmm, I sign up. Easy. And the same thing, I have to verify our email. Verify. Alright. So I have logged in it. Login. Okay, so here I already logged in it. Hmm. Your email has been verified. Yep. Hmm. App crash on the app, so maybe uh, I have to delete it and then try to do it again. Maybe there's some crash on it. So now on, I will uh, okay. So now on, I will sign up as a new user. and user created. And same thing, I have to verify our account. Okay, so now on, I will log in it. Okay, the password. I log in. I'm waiting for second. Here we go. So here's our normal user. So as you can see, they know create pause. They will have the pause right here. So I can hit it. Only one vice president right here. So I can vote for it. And of course, I'm gonna show result. It only one. Maybe I can, and then it's gonna show your cow vote is ready. So I can see my result right here. Yep. So it's working well with application. So I'm gonna turn it off right here. Yes. And then coming back coming PowerPoint. Okay, testing Android testing for Android voting system. So now on, I'm gonna test our code and our software. So here we go. So I'm gonna need to reopen now exam again. And I'm using Selenium. Slash. So the Selenium is for the user performing testing. So it's time consuming for the developer to testing everything, right? So Selenium is the free tool. So we're gonna testing first our browser. So here's my code. I make it very simple right here. Okay, run it. So code 1 second. Yep. So we're gonna automatically log in it as an admin browser. Yep. And you're gonna check our different website. This is voter, and that's all we have right here. Okay. So thank you, Professor, for listening our presentation.